Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today we are making something absolutely delicious. We're making lemon crusted chicken quarters. So good, so delicious, so juicy. And these are perfect for any weeknight dinner or when you have any guests over. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's jump right in. All right guys, to begin, I am using 3 chicken quarters. They're nice and clean. We're going to pat them dry with a napkin. You can flip them over as well to pat them dry, just like this. All right, perfect. Now I am going to score the chicken. That way it'll be more flavorful. So I'm going to turn it diagonally and just make some slices like this on the chicken. Beautiful, I think that's good enough. Turn it this way. This will help all that seasoning get in the chicken. And make sure you have a sharp knife when you're doing this. And that's what we looking like once we're done. All right guys, we're going to make the marinade. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil here. We're going to squeeze 1 juice of a lemon into our oil, just like this. This is going to give it a nice lemony flavor. Squeeze that juice in. Once you're done, you're going to grab your dry seasoning. Now here I have a few seasoning that I'm using. I have onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, Creole seasoning, just to name a few. It'll be down below for you. I'm going to mix that together. Ooh, it smells so good. So good. Don't want to make it too thick now. This is perfect actually. I transfer the chicken to a bowl. That way we can marinate it better. So now I am going to just add the marinade all over the chicken. And now you're just going to massage that marinade right in. Make sure all the crevices get some marinade so it can be nice and juicy and delicious. This is one of the easiest recipe you'll ever done. You can prep this overnight and just bake it the night before. Just remember to just leave it out for about maybe 10 to 20 minutes before you place it in the oven. You don't want to place it in the oven while it's super duper cold, okay? So rub that in and pretty much we are ready to bake this. And it's going to be so flavorful, every part of it, every single bite. And that is pretty much what we're looking like. All right, now it's time to bake the chicken. Grab yourself your baking dish. We are going to place them right in. They look so good. Imagine you baking this for a friend or a family. And this is what we're looking like. You can add any remaining of the marinade. And now I'm going to add in some of the lemon slices. Just, you know, like this. Just to give it a little zing, and that's pretty much it. All right, now we're going to place this in the oven, bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes on 375. So let's bake it. Ladies and gentlemen, our chicken is ready, and let me tell you, it is looking gorgeous, delicious. All right, guys, time for the taste test. You know, baked chicken is a big thing in my house. Like, we make this on daily, almost every week, okay? So let's give it a little slice right here. It's so juicy, perfectly cooked, okay? Juicy, delicious baked chicken. Gotta get a little bit of that skin. And this is how you eat it, okay? You make sure you get that chicken and rub it all over that lemon and give it a taste. So good. Wow. This is delicious, okay? Juicy, tender, flavorful. All right? Don't forget about that. Heavy on the flavorful. So good. So easy. That lemony flavor is everything for me. I like to kind of dab it on there. That one's crispy. Very little skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what type of side dish would you pair with this lemon crusted chicken. Also, leave a like on this video if you enjoy it, if you find it helpful. And I will see you guys on the next amazing recipe. Bye, guys.